Dr. M.T. Adekilekun.
What does M stand for?
Dr. Mubarak Tijani Adekilekun.
Okay, sir, come. Yes. Okay, so, sir, let's see your reaction to this judgment.
That was not delivered.
We thank God for the judgments just delivered. They were well considered. Out of all the judgments that were delivered, I think today we say it was 4-0. The 3 main appeals and the only cross appeal, all of them went in favor of our clients, which is Engineer A.A. Sule, the Executive Governor of Nasarawa State. So we are happy.
Has been fully recovered.
We are happy.
Thank you. Please, would like to speak your name, sir?
I'm Dr. Mubarak Adekilekun. Thank you so much.
The other party, where's the other party?
Your Excellency, sir.
All Nasarawans together to ensure unity.
Well, Nasarawa State has been known to be a very peaceful state. And in the whole state, you find that we always lived as brothers and sisters. We've gone into a game. And in a game, there'll be a winner and there'll be a loser. And of course, you don't expect the losers to celebrate. And they understand the way they feel. And but the most understand, we must first of all have a state before we can have a government, can have governance. And I would like to call on my brothers and sisters who today have listened to the voice of wisdom. The justices have done justice to this case. And you can see that going by the judgments and the pronouncements, it was a thoroughly delivered judgment. I should take it that this is one of those things that happen. We must all come together and throw away all differences that these elections have cost us. So we can come together as a people to unite as one and develop our state. Our state needs all of us because we all belong there. And unless we come together and work together, we can have a state of our dream. A.A. Sule has been declared the winner at the election. The tribunal, the lower tribunal looked at it and thought otherwise. But now the higher tribunal has looked at it and said, no, indeed, Engineer A.A. Sule was the choice of the people. And the voice of the people is the voice of God. So anything against that is like fighting God. Please, let's come together and let us unite and develop our state. We need it.
Thank you very much.
My name is John Matthew. I'm one of the council representing Honorable Dr. David Ombogadu and the People's Democratic Party in the 4 different appeals that were determined this afternoon. Well, first and foremost, the issue of inadmissible evidence is rather strange. I think it demonstrates a complete misconception of the case of the petitioners at the lower tribunal and the first and second respondents, of course, in this court. The case of the first and second respondent before the lower tribunal did not have anything to do with polling unit results. Did not have anything to do with the contest of election at the polling units. It was basically to do with computation of the results after it was duly concluded at the polling units. So it is strange for anybody to expect that you should bring polling unit agents to give evidence and demonstrate documents. Neither of the parties contested the outcome of the elections at the polling units. What was contested was the computation. And this computation are done at the ward levels. And the various ward agents came before the tribunal and gave competent testimony about what took place with respect to the computation. Strangely, INEC, which did the computation, did not bring a witness to dispute the mathematical calculation, which the tribunal also did, utilizing the evidence that was tendered before it. So it is rather strange for this court to come to that determination. I think it was rather a very strange misconception of the case. And happily, this is not the final court in this matter. We already have instructions to test the decisions that have been rendered this afternoon, and we have already swung into action.
Thank you.
John Matthew.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Come.